Here's a concise guide to start futures trading on Binance. Sign up and verify, create a Binance account and complete the KYC process. Enable futures trading, go to the Derivatives tab, select USDT-M or Coin M Futures, and activate your account. Fund your futures wallet, transfer funds from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Place a trade, choose a trading pair, for example, BTC/USDT. Set your leverage. Choose long, buy, if you expect the price to rise, or short, sell, if you expect it to fall. Use limit or market orders to enter the trade. Manage and close position, monitor your trade, set stop loss/take profit, and close your position when ready. Withdraw profits, transfer profits back to your spot wallet, and withdraw as needed. Tips: start with low leverage, manage risk carefully, and stay informed about market trends.